guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a new subscription box. This one is called HEMPLIFE. So, hemp, we all know what hemp is, has nothing to do with getting high. So, these are all products that are made using hemp from various suppliers that you could probably find on Etsy, small shops, little places like that. So, this particular box, they have 3 different options. This one is the HEMPLIFE Premium, which is $55 plus shipping. Then there's the HEMPLIFE Spa for $35 and HEMPLIFE Basics for $30. So, and then there's more box information and stuff on the website, which I will of course link in the description box. You guys can check it out if you are interested. Okay, so the box, super cute. I have opened this and played with the products a little bit so I could tell you guys about them. But look at this wax seal. Isn't this so cute? I love it. And these are all full-size products, by the way. Okay, so let's just go down the list. First thing in here is a shampoo and conditioner set. These are Argan and hemp, and you can get these on Etsy. Wild Nettle Apothecary is the brand. So I have been using these. They don't really have any scent to them, which I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're sensitive to scents or something, that can be a really great thing. They seemed fine, cleaned my hair, but the conditioner is really nice. Definitely helps hydrate without weighing down my hair. It's nice. I liked both of these. I will continue to use them. This is Patchouli Vanilla Hemp Oil Lotion. Actually, you can get any of these on Etsy. This one is from Luminous Stone. I love this so much. First of all, it smells amazing. I was a little nervous about the patchouli because patchouli can sometimes smell a little funky, but I think it's nicely balanced with that vanilla, and it just has a really great kind of musky scent to it. It smells so good. The actual lotion itself is nice and creamy. It's not greasy. It's lovely. So I've been using this a lot. I love the pump top. This is probably my favorite thing in the box because it smells so amazing. Oh, the candle. I actually have the candle burning back here. This is a hemp oil seed candle. It smells really good. Again, as soon as I got this box, I opened it and I was like, wow, this smells amazing. I don't know how to describe the scent, but it smells really, really good. And this one is from Thera Products. And I love that it comes in this cute little tin, and it actually has hemp seeds in it. So love that candle. There's a bath bomb in here that I haven't used yet because look how cute this is. Isn't that great? It smells like soap or shaving cream maybe? Something like that. It smells very clean. It smells good, and I just love that. And I usually give my bath bombs to my kids, so I will let them use that one. Okay, this is Dirty Hippie Goat's Milk and Hemp Seed Bar from Franken Farms. So it actually came with this cute little label. But this is the actual soap, and you can see it actually has the hemp seeds in it. So if you wanted to use this, you know, like actually scrub the bar, you could get a nice little exfoliation from those seeds. And it's pretty gentle. They're soft seeds. And so I have used it that way. I've just, you know, rubbed it onto my loofah and washed that way. It smells really good. It does a good job. It's nice soap. It doesn't leave behind a super sticky film. It kind of smells like cinnamon and clove, like that sort of a almost Christmassy scent. This is Hemp Lip Therapy. White Nectarine Peach is the scent, and this is from Herbology Organics. This lip balm is really nice, but it is quite soft. It's definitely more on the oily side, so it gives you a little bit more of a glossy lip, but it smells really good. It feels really nice on your lips. You just have to be careful. I would not carry this in your pocket, and don't wind it up too high because it will smush when you put it on. So you just kind of have to be careful with it, but it does feel really nice on your lips. And then the last thing is this deodorant from Tothicus Aromatherapy. I don't know. This deodorant did not work for me. I was not a fan. It smells pretty good, kind of an earthy scent, but it's definitely more oil-based like the lip balm. So when you put it on, it feels like, ooh, oily pits. But my issue with it mostly was that the color, because it actually stained I wore it with a white tank top, and it of course stained my white tank top this sort of greenish color. So that was a bummer, and just the kind of the oily texture was not my favorite. So I don't know, it didn't work for me, but you know, who knows, could work for somebody else. So anyway, lots of amazing products. I love that they're all Etsy small businesses, and you get to, you know, find new products from different brands that you otherwise may not have ever heard of. And these products are amazing. I'm absolutely loving using them. I think this is a great box. I will leave all of the information in the description box. I think I might also have a discount code, so if you are interested in getting this, I will leave all of that in the description box. So thank you to HEMPLIFE for sending this to me, and thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!